Hudson-Odoi. Morgan gives White. Can he find the right pass? And ball back with PSG now. And PSG pushing forward with options available. Can he get them level? And it's a goal for Paris Saint-Germain to square this game. So the ball is running again at 2-2. Hudson-Odoi. 30 minutes to go then. Morgan gives White. Williams. The referee spotted the little nick on the way through, so a throw-in coming up. Hudson-Odoi. Anderson. And it's with Gibbs White. And wasteful there from Forest. Dylan Bakwa. And the pass was just that little bit off. Nearly found its target. Hudson-Odoi. Williams. Anderson. Chris Wood. Well, we're inside the final 15 minutes. Determined defending. Morgan gives White. Wayne Rooney. PSG on the attack as the minutes tick away. What can they do in the closing phase? Went in strongly, decisively. And he's through here. Will he? And a goal! This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Well, time is of some concern. Can they level matters? Clears it away. And there's the final whistle. It goes into the books as a defeat for Nottingham Forest.
Yes, Derek, they were well off their usual standards today. And with the quality that they have in their squad, I think it's fair for the fans to demand more. Too many bystanders for me, just not good enough.